All right, so let's go ahead and count. All right, so let's go ahead and count our cash that we have. And we are supposed to be having, I don't have it written down, but I do have the increments. But if my math is right, as we can see here, we are going to do 304. We're going to actually unstuff my cash envelope wallet. Also, because I didn't get a chance to do that. So we got 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 210, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we do got that. I did see an old, oh, look at this, y'all. I mean, I guess it's not as old. It says 1995, but it is old. Yeah, right? 1995 is a long time now, right? Okay. All right, and we don't have any twos today, so yeah. And I am actually going to fill up my trackers just to save us some. I'm gonna get this straight here, just to give us some, just to save us some time here. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pretty much kind of like unstuff it, and then we're gonna do it all at the same time. Okay, so boba, I don't have anything in there, and I get this all the time. What is boba? Boba is bubble tea. It's got like those little, y'all know I can't pronounce, what is it? Those little beads. What are they called? Post it for me. I don't know what they're called. I forgot what they're called. So yeah. So yeah, it has that in there. All right, so we're gonna add $4 to that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I do have some cash that I have set aside for my home binder. So I just haven't wrote it in here. I have a lump sum, but I got to figure out where everything is going. So that's why I don't have anything in here. And my vacation wallet already did 90. So if we have anything left from what I'm doing from here, then we can go ahead and do for the 54 weeks. So the 54 weeks challenge that I have, which is actually this one, I'll show you. Believe it or not, the amounts are, you save more than my 52 weeks challenge, but the amounts are more smaller. It's, yeah, it all adds up. It's weird, but it's a little bit easier to save more than the 52 weeks or whatever, whatnot. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we got $4 for the balance. I hope that made a lot of sense, or maybe it didn't make sense what I said. Okay, so Chris, my favorite place. We don't have anything in there, y'all, because I be getting salads all the time when I have money in here to treat myself. So Chris is a bomb homemade small business salad place. They make their own ranch, and it is so delicious. Y'all, I probably want to cut the camera off right now and go get me one. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. All right, so we're going to do $10. So we're going to do one $10 bill. And so we're going to put that in there. And then we got groceries. So groceries, y'all know we ain't never got nothing in there. So groceries, like I said, we need to go get some. So groceries, we're going to add $140. I said $40. $40 is not going to get you anything. So we're going to do $140, and I did make my grocery list, so I do have that on the counter upstairs. So basically what I do is I just take a list, and I just go through my cabinets, refrigerators, and all that stuff like that. And while I'm doing that, I do check for like dates to make sure anything is like not expired, and then like produce and stuff. And so that way I can pretty much do everything that I need to do and buy what I need to buy. So we're just going to do 7 20s. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's that old 20. So we got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40. So we got 140. So this will be, we're going to go today. So this will be pretty much gone today. All right, so gas, we have, there it is. We got $20 left for gas. All right, so we're gonna actually add $60. Oops, this is holding up. So I guess the dryer stopped. Y'all hear that noise? I was like, what is that noise? I guess I've never been down here when the dryer has stopped, because we got a different dryer. So I'm like, what is that noise? All right, so now I figured it out. All right, so for gas, we're doing $60. So we're gonna do 150 and 110. And for my gas, I usually stop at like the gas station, and I usually give like the little clerk at the little gas thing, I usually give them cash because I'm parked like right beside it. So 50, 60, 70, 80. So we got $80 for gas, and I think I am good so far with gas. I still got a long way to go because, like I said, we live closer to work, closer to Aiden's after school, before school, and school. So yeah, and now that since we have the house, I want to stay at the house more. You know how like when you have like something like better than what you had, but you're still thankful for what you had, and you're like, thank you for blessing me with that. But when you have something else, you want to like stay there. You get what I'm saying, right? Okay. So for personal, we're going to be adding, and we don't have anything, as you can see. We're going to be adding $20, so it'll be one $20 bill, y'all. And I did my last personal that I got. I'm going to show y'all what I got. Y'all know I love purses, and I couldn't pass it up. Y'all, I found off the Facebook yard sale page. I'm going to show you. All right, so I got this wallet. I love like vintage Dooney stuff, so I got this wallet off of there. And then I got this right here. I just put like my extra cards and stuff like that, but I still carry my cash envelope wallet. Oh yeah, and I got the bag. All right, let me show you the bag real quick. All right, y'all, so this is the bag that I got. This thing is like super heavy. Hope y'all can see it. Isn't that crazy? And I did check it. It does have like the serial number in it, so I was like, like I said, I do like older vintage stuff, and somebody had it locally. They just didn't want it anymore. They got like a situation that they were going through, so they needed to sell it, and they have like a whole bunch of other stuff. So I was like, well, that'll help them out also. So I went ahead and just did that and got it. So yeah, so that was awesome. Okay, so we got Aiden. Aiden is getting $20, but I'm still working on Aiden's binder because I'm redoing it because, like I said, the daycare stuff is a lot different than the preschool stuff. I mean, not preschool, than the kindergarten stuff. So I got to redo his binder. So I'm going to actually keep this $20 in here. So we got 20, and we are actually going to do another 20. So we're going to do $20 bills. So that'll give us $40 for Aiden's envelope. And there we go. Oh yeah, and he did get $10 for his it's in his drawer. He did get $10 for his tooth. His tooth came out. He had two to come out. The first tooth I gave him $5, and the second tooth I gave him $10. And yeah, so he was like, I want my tooth back. I'm like, well, you got to give me the, I said, well, not me, I said, well, you got to give the tooth fairy back $10. He was like, what? But that's my tooth. I'm like, okay, these kids these days. I'm like, boy, if you don't give the tooth fairy that tooth, what you gonna do with it? You can't put it back in your mouth. All right, so eat out, we are going to do $30, and eat out, we don't have anything. So we're gonna do 120 and 110. And my allergies, I don't know if anybody else, but my sinuses are awful. I don't know if it's this weather or what's going on, but I think a lot of people have had a lot of stuff where they were like feeling kind of like under the weather, raspy and stuff like that. Yeah, these seasons are crazy. All right, Dollar Tree, we don't have anything in there. We're gonna do $5 for Dollar Tree. I haven't been going to the Dollar Tree as much. I guess that's a good thing, right? All right, household, we're gonna do $10 because we're pretty much good with, and we don't have anything. We're pretty much good with our household thing because we already stocked up on paper towels and stuff like that, so should be good. All right, and then that's 10. And then giving, we don't have anything in there. And giving, we're going to do $5, and then that's the last bit. So that's our $5 there. All right, so we are pretty much done with our binder. All right, so let's go ahead and add up this stuff. All right, so we don't have to add this because hopefully we can add $20 and $20 together. So hopefully we can add 20 and 20 together. All right, so we got $4, $10, 140, 80, 20. All right, there we go. So we got 344. All right, y'all, we are done. This is it. This is all that we have to do. Easy, but very effective. All right, so thank you guys so much for chilling with me through this video doing my cash envelope stuffing, because like I said, your girl needs to go to the grocery store. So that's why I was like, let me go ahead, stop doing what I'm doing and get that done. All right, so then also hop over to my Instagram page, and my TikTok is called 𝗗𝗓𝗡, and my website is pinkcloth.co. So thank you guys again so much, and until next time guys, peace.